In our previous videos, we have learned about the basics of components and props. In this video, we are going to go a bit more in details about understanding props. So till now, we have learned that React is a component-based library, which divides the whole UI of an app into small components. What do I mean with that? So here if you see, this is the whole app that we have. And if you look at the structure, we will see that we have one component app and another component card. Because our UI is not very complex, so we just have two components. But as soon as your UI becomes complex, you will start having more and more component, each component doing their own piece. So in React, an UI consists of small component. There is one another thing that we also need to understand is components are reusable pieces. What does it mean is, here we are calling card component with different data, even though all the card looks the similar, but based on data, it is containing different information. So we are reusing the component again and again with different data for creating the UI. Now there are some cases when you're combining those small components together to create the UI, you want those components to communicate to each other. With communication, I mean sending data, right? So sometimes you want to share some data from one component to another. Say, for example, here we are importing data, and right here, what we are doing is using map, we are getting access to each animal, and we are sending some data from app component to card component. So how can we do that? So we have learned that the only way to communicate from one component to another is by using props. So from here, we are sending data using props to the component card. So in this case, we are sending data from app component to card component. So in that way, card component will get access to the information that is coming from app component. They can use it to create the UI. And we also know that prop stands for properties, and it is a special keyword that has some special features. We haven't talked about all the features that props has. So first feature is the data between component in React can only be sent using props. There is no other way of doing it. If you want to send data from one component to another, the only way to do that is by using props. There is no other way. Moving on to second property, data can only be passed in unidirectional way. What does it mean? So to understand this, let us take a look at a diagram. If we look at our application structure, we can understand that we have one app component. App component consists of multiple cards. So here if we try to understand the relation between card and app, app is the parent of all the cards. So in this way, app can send data to card. Why? Because data should always be unidirectional. It should always be going from parent to children. It cannot go the other way around. Say for example, if some point of time I want to send data from card to app, this is not possible. You cannot do that. So whenever you're sending data, you can only send data in unidirectional way, that is from parent to children. And that is the same thing we are doing here. If you look at from app component, we are sending data to card component, and this is unidirectional. Unidirectional means it will only come from parent to children. It is not possible to go other way. So that is the second property of props. Now let's try to look at the third property of prop. That is, props are read-only. What does it mean is, when you send some data using props from app to card, you cannot change the data into card. So in this case, we are getting data from app component to card component. So what if I want to change the data that we are getting into card component? Because we have already talked about props are read-only. Let's test if we can change the value or not. So here, the props that we are getting is info. What if I want to change that? So I'll say props.info is equal to something like aria. Will it work or not? Let's see. So as soon as I save this file, what will happen? It will start throwing errors saying cannot assign to read only property info. So what does it mean? Is whatever data you send from one component to another using props is always read-only. You cannot change that. So in this way, we learnt about three properties of props. The first property is the only way you can communicate or send data from one component to another is by using props. And the only way to send data is unidirectional. It always goes from parent to children. You cannot go from children to parent. So it is always unidirectional. And the last property that we saw is props is always read only. You cannot change the value of props.